I need to do something to take my mind off her. Easy enough, except I need an idea.
Porn.
You are one of the oldest, one of the most exclusive
Porn.
Harvard. But in the world,
Come.
I want to welcome you all to...
Intercourse.
You better lawyer up, asshole, because I'm not coming back for...
Come.
I'm coming back for...
Intercourse.
Because at the end of the day, sex, you're going to be impaling her with your ugly, engorged penis.
Let's see what kind of a shot you are, Pilgrim. Take a crack at this.
Have you ever noticed how you could easily eat 3, 4, or even 5 scrambled eggs?
The second you reach maturity, you exit adolescence and become an adult, you start dying, you degrade, and then you expire. This is called the
Scrambled eggs.
and then